Hi everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials, your channel for everything related to writing professional and effective letters. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into a zookeeper job application letter. If you're passionate about animals and dream of working in a zoo or sanctuary, this letter is a great example to follow. Whether you're applying for your first animal care job or have some experience already, this step-by-step breakdown will show you exactly how to write a letter that grabs attention. So let's go through it together, paragraph by paragraph, and I'll explain everything you need to know, including why each sentence is important. Sender's contact information. We begin with the applicant's contact information at the very top of the letter. This is always left aligned and should look like this. Nathaniel T. Moore, 762 Cedar Hill Road, Columbus, Ohio, 43203, 614-5552984. Nathaniel.moore@email.com. This section gives the employer your full name, your address, your phone number, and a professional email address. Even though most applications today are sent by email or uploaded online, it's still good practice to include your contact info right at the top. This makes it easy for the hiring team to reach out if they're interested. Always double-check your contact details for accuracy. One wrong digit in your phone number or a typo in your email could cost you the opportunity. Date. Next, include the date the letter is being written, June 30th, 2025. Why is the date important? Well, it helps keep your letter organized and shows when you applied. It's also helpful in case the employer is reviewing multiple applications across several weeks. Always use the full format, month, day, and year. Recipient's contact information. Now let's move to the hiring organization's details. Here's how it looks in this letter. Human Resources Department, Franklin Park Zoo, 1 Zoo Drive, Boston, Massachusetts, 02121. This part tells us who the letter is addressed to. If you don't know the name of the specific person in charge of hiring, it's perfectly fine to use the department's name, like Human Resources Department. Just make sure you include the name of the company or organization and the correct address. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject. Application for zookeeper position. Including a subject line is a helpful way to immediately let the reader know what the letter is about. Keep it short, clear, and specific. If you're submitting your application online or by email, this line can help the HR team quickly identify the purpose of your message. Salutation, greeting the reader. Now we begin the actual letter with a greeting, also called the salutation. Dear Hiring Manager, this is a polite and professional way to open the letter. If you know the name of the hiring manager, it's even better to personalize it. For example, Dear Ms. Ramirez. But if you don't, Dear Hiring Manager works just fine. And don't forget to include a comma after the greeting. First paragraph. Introduce yourself and your intent. Let's read the first paragraph together. I am writing to apply for the zookeeper position at Franklin Park Zoo as advertised on your official website. With a deep passion for wildlife care and over 4 years of experience working in animal husbandry, I'm confident that my dedication, knowledge, and hands-on expertise make me a strong candidate for this role. This paragraph does 3 important things. First, it clearly states the position Nathaniel is applying for and where he saw the job posting. That shows he's organized and paying attention to detail. Next, he introduces his experience, over 4 years in animal husbandry. That term, by the way, refers to the care and management of animals, which is highly relevant for a zoo position. Finally, he uses strong, confident language. I am confident that my dedication, knowledge, and hands-on expertise make me a strong candidate. This tells the employer, I know what I'm doing, and I'm ready to bring value to your team. When writing your first paragraph, focus on what job you're applying for, how you're qualified, and why you're interested. Second paragraph. Highlight your background and skills. Now on to the second paragraph. I hold a Bachelor of Science degree in zoology from Ohio University and have worked for the past 3 years at the Columbus Animal Sanctuary, where I cared for a variety of species, including primates, large cats, and exotic birds. My responsibilities included feeding routines, habitat maintenance, behavioral observation, enrichment planning, and assisting veterinary staff with medical procedures. I am trained in animal first aid and have completed OSHA-certified safety training specific to animal care environments. This paragraph is full of important information that backs up Nathaniel's qualifications. He starts with his education, a degree in zoology, which is directly related to the job. Then he describes his relevant experience: 3 years at the Columbus Animal Sanctuary, working with animals that are often found in zoo environments, such as primates and large cats. He continues with specific job duties: feeding routines, cleaning habitats, observing animal behavior, planning enrichment activities, and assisting with medical procedures. These are exactly the kinds of skills a zookeeper needs. Finally, he adds some certifications: Animal First Aid and OSHA safety training. This shows he's trained, prepared, and serious about safety. When you write this paragraph in your own letter, focus on your experience, responsibilities, and technical skills. Be specific, but don't overcomplicate it. Just clearly show how you've already been doing the kind of work the job requires. Third paragraph. Why this organization? Next is the third paragraph, where Nathaniel explains why he wants to work at this particular zoo. Working at Franklin Park Zoo would be a dream opportunity to contribute to a team known for its commitment to animal welfare, education, and conservation. I admire your zoo's programs that focus on endangered species and public engagement, and I would be proud to support these missions through attentive animal care and excellent teamwork. This is a crucial paragraph. A lot of applicants forget to explain why they want to work for that company, and that's a missed opportunity. Nathaniel starts by saying it would be a dream opportunity. That shows passion. Then he lists 3 things the zoo is known for: animal welfare, education, and conservation. This shows he did his research and respects what the organization stands for. He also points out specific programs he admires, like endangered species initiatives and community outreach. Finally, he connects it all back to himself. He wants to support these efforts through excellent teamwork and attentive care. That's a great way to say, your mission matters to me, and I can help you achieve it. When writing this section in your own letter, make sure to mention something specific about the company or organization. Tell them why you chose them and how your values align with theirs. Final paragraph. Call to action and availability. Now, let's look at the final paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to speak with you further about how I can contribute to your zookeeping staff. I have attached my resume for your review and would be happy to provide references upon request. You may contact me at the phone number or email listed above. This is your polite and professional call to action. Nathaniel expresses interest in a future conversation. This is important because it invites the employer to take the next step. He also lets them know he's attached a resume and that he's open to providing references. That shows he's prepared and transparent. Finally, he gives a clear reminder that they can reach him by phone or email. It's short, simple, and effective. Always make sure to end your letter by thanking them and letting them know how to reach you. Closing, sign-off, and signature. And finally, we close the letter like this. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team and helping provide a safe, enriching environment for the animals under your care. Sincerely, Nathaniel T. Moore. This is a warm and respectful closing. Nathaniel reiterates his enthusiasm and shows that he's thinking about the animals, not just himself. He ends with sincerely, which is always a safe professional sign-off. And of course, his full name is typed neatly underneath. And that's it. That's how you write a professional and passionate zookeeper job application letter. Let's recap the structure. Contact details at the top, a polite greeting, an opening paragraph that shows your interest and experience, a second paragraph that outlines your background and skills, a third paragraph that connects you to the employer's mission, a clear and polite closing, and of course, your signature at the end. I hope this breakdown gives you the confidence to write your own letter, especially if you're applying to a zoo, wildlife center, or animal sanctuary. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and share this with someone who's passionate about working with animals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.